Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q6 and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now the device that I have right here is locked, so I'm going to quickly go through setup just so you can see the verification page, and while it's going to check for it, I'm going to mention that you do need a SD card and you want to load up the two applications that you can download from the description. You want to load it up on the card and then insert that card into the device. Now I have already popped my card in here, so it's already waiting and well, it's ready to use. So once you have your card already in the device, you can now back out to the first page right over here and then select accessibility, vision, and enable Talkback. Select turn on. Now I do have it muted right now, so I can't really hear it talk, which is completely fine. So once you see this page right here, you want to draw an L on a screen, then go to text to speech settings. So you want to tap on it once to select it, and then double tap it to confirm it. And once you see this page, hold power key and select restart. And wait for the device to turn back on. Now as you can see, this brings us back to the Talkback tutorial page. So again, let's draw an L on a screen, select text to speech, double tap it, and from here you want to hold volume up and volume down. Select suspend and pull down the notification panel, go to the settings, and from here I'm gonna now continue the bypass. Now I'll mention before I progress any further that this works I guess 50-50 with the pull down notification panel. If you for some reason doesn't want to pull down the notification panel, either for instance Talkback didn't suspend, which has happened to me before, or for instance just something is bugged out. Now to basically fix this, all you need to do is basically turn off the Talkback, reboot the device, and try from the beginning once more. So that seems to work for me, at least this time around. So once you're in the settings page, you're gonna tap on the three dots, list view. This basically pops everything neatly in here. And we're gonna start off by going into the security. There we go, security. Then you're gonna go down to phone administrators and disable Find My Device, deactivate, and it's now turned off, which we can now go back to the settings page, the main settings page. And actually, I'm gonna go back to the security. There is one more option that we need to enable, which is the unknown sources. So enable, allow, and now go back. So once that's enabled, we're gonna now go to apps. I'm gonna tap on the three dots and then show system. And we're looking for Google Account Manager. So we're gonna scroll down, see, here we go, Google Account Manager, tap on it. And then you want to turn it off, or we're going to start with force stop. Okay, and let's see, disable, go back, and next thing you want to deactivate is the Google Play services. So right over here, gonna disable app. And let's also make sure that it's not running. There we go. So for a stop, and from here we're gonna now go back once more to the main settings page, and from here you want to navigate to storage, select your SD card, and you should see your two different applications that we have downloaded and loaded up on the SD card. So from here we're gonna start off by installing the Frp Vram, which is gonna add the option to log into Google. So install, So now you want to click Done and then go to Shortcut and install the second application. And this time around you're going to select Open. Now from here we're looking for Google Play Services, or not services, Google Play Store. So let's scroll down. Google Play Store. You want to tap on the drop down next to it. And looking for Google Play Store once more, which actually let me make sure that I'm looking for the correct one. Okay, so we're looking exactly for this one right over here, above my finger. As you can see, both all of the Google Play stores right here have some writing under it, and you're looking for the one which has com.android.vending.asset browser activity. So once you find this one, you want to simply select it. And there we go. And from here we're going to select Try. And now you want to log in with your Google account to it. So there we go. Now additionally you can create an account just for this, even though we do have a button for it right over here as you just seen for a second. I do strongly recommend you to create, if you're planning to create an account, to do it like on your computer or a different phone. I have no idea how well this works. This is kind of in a glitch territory, which shouldn't be possible, but it is. That's why I'm saying I have no idea how the create account would actually work here. But anyway, you can use your existing account to log into it or create a brand new one just for this purpose. And then once you log in, I'll provide the email, then you need to provide the password, which I'm gonna do off the screen right here. There we go. So we're gonna select Agree. Select Open Up again. Now from here we're gonna back out, and now we're looking for settings. There we go, settings, and this time around we're gonna look for again exact settings. So we're looking for, let me quickly make sure, it looks like I think it's the first one right here. So you can see this one, com.android settings.android or /.android settings. So anyway, just tap on it, and from there again we're gonna select Try, and we're gonna navigate to Apps, Show System, and we're gonna re-enable the two applications that we have disabled, so Google Account Manager and Google Play Services. So there we go. Enable, go back. Enable and go back. So once more, the applications that we have enabled right now are Google Play Services and Google Account Manager. So once you have enabled both of them, you want to hold power key. Now once more, we're going to suspend the Talkback. So let's exit. Okay, so volume up, volume down. select OK, and now we should be able to progress through the setup. So let's go normally through it. And as you can see, it pops us up with the message right here, account added. And if you paid attention, this is the account that I have logged in with throughout this process as a bypass. And now it just simply replaces the old account that was blocking us from finishing up the setup. So let's select next. Now, additionally, because you will be able to right now gain access to the home screen, I will mention right now the process is still not finished, but we're almost there. So right here, you want to progress through the setup, skip everything that you can. It doesn't really matter how you set up your device, at least not right now. And once you get access to the home screen, you will want to go to the settings, and from there perform a factory data reset of the device, which will reset the device again and bring you back to the setup screen, with the key difference of the device being fully unlocked at that point. So once the actual setup is complete, I'm going to show you where you can find the factory reset for the device, and you want to go through it, but I won't be going through it just to save the time. There's nothing any more trickery needed to finish it up. Once the factory reset has been completed, you will just go through the setup normally. Okay, so now that we're on the home screen, let's open up settings. Let's close this, whatever pops up. And from here we're looking for backup and reset. Then you want to scroll down, and right at the bottom you'll have factory data reset. This will give you a message that will remove things like, for instance, the account that we have added. Now it also removes the other account that was blocking us, which will thus fully unlock the device. So from here you want to select reset phone and then delete all. Once you click on the delete all, it will begin the reset, and this will take several minutes. Once it's completed, like I mentioned, you'll be then back in the setup screen, and from there you can set up your device however you like. It is going to be fully unlocked, so you can do whatever you want. So that being said, this is how you bypass the Google verification on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.